Hello everybody. Today we got a little box of horrors. This is my first box from the company and their first monthly box. The theme was 1987, 30th year anniversary. And a lot of good themes to be used for that. Excited to see what we got. Alright. 30th anniversary, 1987. One thing about living in Santa Carla, I never could stomach all the damn vampires. And it says, congratulations, you have received an extra item. Cool. Doing one-ups. I didn't know they was doing that. That is very cool. I like that. This is what you see. Nothing. Oh, got an Evil Dead mask. My bird did not like the Evil Dead mask. This is a Tots mask. That is awesome. Very cool mask. I like that a lot. Now they have usually 3 different subscription levels on this box. You can get the $40 box, which wouldn't include a mask, but it'll include most of this other stuff. And they have a $60 box. Busy with all this stuff. Got a badass Monster Squad print. You definitely want to go sign up for the $40 a month box, and that is shipped. And if you can, sign up for the extras if you're interested in probably a mask or the other items that they put in the higher tier boxes. That is badass print. It doesn't say who did it. Very well printed. Thick paper. That is cool. Let's see what else we got here. We got Creepazoids. This is a full moon film. I love full moon films. I can't remember this one. It's been so long since I've seen it. I don't have it. Definitely glad I get this. That is badass. Very cool. Let's see. Digging around in here. Got Happy Halloween. What's in here? Oh, full of candy. Little Halloween sack full of candy. Got like an eyeball, sour stuff, Skittles, bat. That's cool. Bloody teeth. Cool. My bird's not liking this box over there. Saying that it looks like Bad Taste. Got a Bad Taste shirt. That is very cool. Guy's sitting there eating that guy's brain. My bird, so he can quit yelling. Very cool. Fruit of the Loom shirt. A good badass shirt. Oh, what's this? Oh, my Hellraiser. This must be the extra item I got. It says custom Hellraiser Pinhead minifigure, so that's what this is. That is very cool. Lego Pinhead. Can't wait to put him together. Love that. That is cool. Little stand. That is awesome. Let's see. Oh, wow. Now this is cool. 30th anniversary Predator figure. Very cool. I do not have this one yet. Jungle Hunter Mask prototype. It is very cool. That is an awesome item. Oh, let's see. Alright, we got a Whorehound magazine. I think they'll be putting these in most boxes. It's a bi-monthly magazine, so every other month I think you'll get one for sure. They might put back issues in and other boxes. So that is very cool. Definitely recommend you check out this box. See, we got Creepshow pin. That is awesome. Not a real big pin collector, but still look good just hanging on the wall. Like the packaging and the pin. That is cool. Very cool. Alright, I knew this was going to be in here, but I didn't know what the theme was going to be. This is a Rotten Rentals Lost Boys VHS. I've looked at these Rotten Rentals for a few years now. I've just never ordered one. That is cool. I like all the stickers and that make it look like an old VHS box. The inside is not the movie. It's full of fun toys and cards. Got the Crow, Frighteners. There's a Swamp Thing on there. Oh, cool. Skeleton Warriors. Love Skeleton Warriors. Vampire Teeth. Gargoyles. Tarot card. We got some candy, some airheads. There's a little zombie in there. He's a real small little guy. Awesome. Love the box of that. And one last item. It's the Necromaniac custom from Dead End Toys. Piece of string on there. Hair. This was limited, exclusive for a little box of horrors. I got number 66 out of 100. It is the eyeball from the dead body that the lady and husband were molesting. So that's pretty cool. I like that. First time seeing this in person. It's very cool. Awesome. And that is it for a little box of horrors. That is for a little box. It's quite a bit of stuff in there, that's for sure. Thank you for watching. Make sure you go check out Little Bucks Horrors. I'll put the links to them down below. Recommend signing up. It's definitely worth it. I'm very happy with my first box. Definitely like the mask, shirt, movies. I like everything. Very happy. Thanks for watching.